Nag-iwan ako ng bakas ha, Albert. Ayan, dikit ko na rin sa'yo itong ano ko. 5 minutes lang ako watching ha, Albert. Kasi ano ang video mo, 12 minutes. Thank you guys. Thank you sa inyong lahat dyan. Thor Part 6 Zomflix from Albert. May hinog na. Nagiyang Oyen Vlogs dan connected from the guard vlog. Ayan, Dugia, please return it back to the guard vlog. Albert A. Vlog from Zomflix. Ayan, Jesseline. Jesseline, aka Albert. Dana ko ha, connect. Last banana sa'yo, ayan. 5 minutes was lang ako sa'yo, Albert. Guys, nakapin guys, si The Guard Vlog. Very supportive yan si The Guard Vlog. Mike Tina, nandito ako sa bahay mo, Mike Tina. Okay lang yun. Okay, thank you. Nanood na ako nito. Ibang video ang panoorin ko kang Mike Tina. Mike Tina, nandito ako sa A Day in Life, Bataan Breakfast and Payment for Rent Apartment. Hanip Buhay, nagbaba ng bahay si Hanip Buhay. Dikitan nyo rin yan guys. Short video lang yan kay Hanip Buhay. Hanip Buhay dan to your chicks from Zomflix. Ayan, Hanip Buhay. Pasukli kay Zomflix. Bakas lang sa bahay para balikan ng tama from Hanip Buhay. Nagiya Ngoyen Vlogs, old friend from Zomflix. Ayan, si Nagiya. Nagiya, I'm going to watch your video, Nagiya ha. Iba kasi yung kanina nanood. Nagiya, ayan si Nagiya Ngoyen Vlogs. Nagiya watching here. Please connect to each other ha. Connect to each other. Connect guys, connect to each other.